To replace an amplifier on a GMC Acadia Enclave Traverse. So the amp is right over here. What you want to do, you see this clip right there. What you want to pry it out. One, next one's two, and then three right there. And then you take that out. So now you can see an amplifier right there. You want to see number 7 over there. And then there's one out here, right there. So I'm trying to plan a trick for this to see if it's make it easier for me. And then one on the very top somewhere. I had to look for it. I'm gonna show you. At this point, I'm always trying to find an easier way. I think I've done this is the second one I've done. I couldn't find the easier way yet, so I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna pry this thing out right there, the airbag plug. Just pull it out right here. I'm gonna remove this PCM or BCM right there. I'm gonna pry this out and pull it out right there. There's a clip right there that hold it right. Ooh, where's my hand at? Right there. Push it out right there and then pull it down. So I got it down by pushing this clip right here and then just pull it straight down. Now I can see the amp better. There's one screw right here and then there's one right there. And there should be one on the very top right there. So, actually, no, it's out over here. I think it's easier if I take this one out and this one out. That look like a 1/2 inch over here. Yeah, I think I should do that. That's probably easier than just go out here and try to put my hand so that let me see, it's easier. I like to make things easy. I can see the 7mm right there, but if I can take this out, it would be a lot easier. It's the main thing I had to take out right here. Yeah, let me try this thing. I'm gonna try something different, and then I'm gonna have 2 videos. Which one's easier, which one is not. This is a video where I'm going to remove all this out. 7mm OBDI. See if I can shake this thing a little bit. See where the screw is at still. I think this connect with it. What if I take this whole dash off? Would be a lot easier, right? I think so. Let me take the dash off. So, try this out. I always try to find something easier for me. So I got another 7mm out here, and then 7 right here. See if I can pry it out. Maybe something right here. So what I got, I pried this out right there, and then I put my hand and pull that out. And then also, I'm gonna pry the top one out first. Got that out. What is that in there? I couldn't find my 7mm, so I'm gonna use this 7mm like this. A wrench would be nice, but I got my screwdriver right here. Push it down. I'm gonna put it on here first, right there. If not, best to use is the needle nose. So I'm gonna put it up there and First screw coming down. And then the next one right there, I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna put it on the 7mm. And then I'm gonna use a needle nose like so. Oh, that works. Yeah, smart dude right here. My buddy right here told me to use a 9/4 inch. Oh, this is 9/32. That's perfect. It's the same thing. 9/32 is the same as a 7mm. So I could use this literally and go up there and yep, and just keep rotating it until it come loose. Even know where my hand's at in the video. Right there. Just keep doing it right there. But if you don't have anything, use pliers, needle nose. So as you can see, this is a 7mm right there. Well, actually there could be a shorter one, but this is pretty long right here. So what I did, after I used the needle nose and I kind of put my finger in there and try to rotate a little bit at a time. It was tough though. It was about 10-minute work trying to get it in there and get your, try to wear the glove. I didn't, so got some cut right here. So once you get the screw out, there's also another screw on the top. I had to look at it. I think the best thing is to take this I think this is a 10mm and then the top one's a 1/2 inch up here, and remove a whole thing out. It's probably easier to do. I'm gonna look at it after I'm taking this thing out. This is the hardest way because, like I said, this is probably my second time. I forgot how I did it last time. I probably did the same thing, but I can't remember. So what I got right now, I got the BCM over here, and try to shake it a little bit up and down and pull the amp down, pushing this plug away. One hand is a little bit tough. Might have to put the camera down and unplug the wire out there because the wire is all the way back there. Try to unplug it. That's, as you can see right there, all the way on the top, very top right there. Yeah, that's the amp. Looks like they someone bought it from the flea market also. A flea market, a junkyard, salvage yard.